Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf brake light. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 12-volt brake light bulb, typically a P21W type. Always ensure your car's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, open your trunk to gain access to the rear of the light assembly. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's access the light unit itself. Inside your trunk, you'll find an access panel or two retaining screws holding the light assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these two fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull the entire light assembly straight back. It should slide out from the vehicle body, revealing the bulb holders. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the light assembly out, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Identify the brake light bulb holder. It's usually the one with two filaments. Twist this holder counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the assembly. Then, press down on the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Take your new bulb, press it into the holder, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. It's a simple push and twist motion. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. First, reinsert the bulb holder into the light assembly and twist it clockwise to secure it. Then, carefully push the entire light assembly back into its housing on the vehicle, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the two screws or clips you removed earlier to hold it firmly in place. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.